Hi guys, right, so welcome back, and it is my final unboxing for August. All caught up. Sorry if there's some noise in the background, but my husband's just watching a movie, so if you hear that, I'm sorry. So yeah, so look fantastic. So I'm still relatively new to this box. I think this might be about my fourth box maybe, and I do quite like it. The products seem to be quite nice. How much is this? Is it £15 I think posted, I want to say, and I think you can get it a bit cheaper if you subscribe. You know, if you subscribe for 3 months, 6 months, or a year. I could be wrong. I'm pretty sure mine's like a rolling month contract, so I can cancel at any time. I'm not tied in. So let's have a little look with this one. Now, I haven't looked at the products, but I have removed the magazine. You normally get a you usually get an Elle magazine in with this as well, and I've given it just to my son's girlfriend to look at while she's been staying with us for a few days, so she's had that. So otherwise than that, you get a this little booklet, and it's quite a good booklet. It tells you about all the products, and ooh, next month's box is a birthday edition. Little sneak peek at some Eve Lom cleanser, which I absolutely love. I've had that before, so I'm looking forward to getting that. Right, so in here, things like this in tissue, and we've got, just having a sneaky look, here we go. I'm just going to sit it down, and then I will have a little look and tell you a bit about the products. This month I'm not going to be doing all the sort of price comparison things and putting it on the screen, just because I'm catching up, but my normal video style should be back next month. So let's have a look here. We've got, first thing I've picked up, so this is a Mia Fit Skin for Life Boob Tube Multi-Action Bust Cream. Right, so moisturise, brighten, protect. So that's a bit of a strange thing. Let's see what it says here. Now the only thing with this box is it doesn't tell you the prices, the RRPs, so I do apologise. So Boob Tube Multi-Action Bust Firmer. Good. Treat your décolletage with this rich formula that works to envelop skin in a veil of essential moisture that smooths and brightens the chest, giving you a youthful and radiant skin tone, rich in CoQ10 and packed full of amazing natural active ingredients which will benefit your skin and slow down the signs of aging. We love it. So apply once a day from the neck to below the breasts, in an upwards motion, suitable for daily use on all skin types from the ages of 18 to 80. Apply after shower whilst moisturising your body, and your skin will be unbelievably smooth and soft afterwards. So that's it. Seems quite a nice size. It's 30 mils. I've never tried anything like this before. Just see what it's like. Oh, so it's not that thick a cream, it's like a medium thickness cream. Feels nice. Smells, oh, does it smell like, I'm not sure if I like the smell or not. It's just a bit of an odd fragrance, but it's gone in really, really nicely. It does feel nice, feels rich without being too thick. I can't work out the fragrance at all. But there we go. So that's the first item, is your Boob Tube cream. Next thing, and this must be doing the rounds. So we've got a Molten Brown Ginger Lily body wash. So I've just had 2 Molten Brown things in my Look Incredible box. I think I got one in something else as well recently. So this, it says, excuse me, so bath and shower gel in Ginger Lily, pink Pepper Pod or Ylang Ylang. So this is obviously the Ginger Lily. That was my mobile. Oops. These deliciously fragrant shower gels are perfect to infuse your bathing and pampering routines with a little bit of luxury. Made in England, these scented gels are created with the finest ingredients and fragrances from citrus, floral and aromatic to woody, spicy and marine collections. Perfect for showering, bathing and relaxing. Apply the gel to wet skin by rubbing in circular motions to create a foam. Try pouring into a warm bath for an indulgent soak and complete your bathing ritual. So I'll have a little sniff. This smells beautiful, but then Molton Brown stuff does. So I'm getting a nice little collection, so that's good. That'll look nice in my bathroom. Next thing I've got is Incredible Glazing Over Intense Colour Lip Glaze. So this looks like it's probably by Nails Ink. Let me just check. Excuse me, I'm not going in order, I'm just taking things out as I find them. So yeah, it's by Nails Ink. And so it says, long lasting intense colour gloss with no fuss, no drips. These ultra hydrating glaze shades will battle your gloss dilemmas. Perfect as a gloss on its own or over your favourite lip colour. 5 different shades available this month. Which one will you receive? Apply with a smooth mover applicator for even full coverage. Reapply to build colour or as required. Be sure to exfoliate your lips before application to see best results on super smooth lips. So let's have a look. Okay, so there's just there's your applicator, and this is, it's quite sheer. It's like a deep corally pinky orange colour. It's actually very similar to the colour that I got in my Birchbox, which was like the powder lipstick, and that's a really similar colour, so that could maybe go on top of that. But it's quite pretty and it feels quite sheer, doesn't feel heavy at all. There seems to be a lot of stuff in my box. Next thing I've got is a brow build gel in the shade Indian Chocolate, and that's it there. There's a shade, and it says so it's by the Blink Brow Bar, and it says so mini brow build Indian chocolate. Give yourself the illusion of thicker, fuller brows with this clever part gel, part cream brow mascara. This product will fill the colour your eyebrows. Hang on. This product will fill and colour your eyebrows by attaching to brow hair, helping to fill sparse areas and create a fabulously full and voluminous effect that will stay put all day or night long. Use the wand along your brows by brushing up with short strokes, allowing the fibres to attach to your brow hairs. I've got a feeling this will be too dark. If it is, oh, it looks, I'm going to pop a bit on me. So that's this sort of shade. I'm not really sure if that's going to be my colour or not. I may give it to my son's girlfriend because she's still here and she does her brows and I don't really do mine much. Next thing is, what's this? Firm and Lift. What's this? So it's Erno Laszlo Hydrophil Skin Supplement. Oh, are you meant to? I was going to say meant to drink it, but I don't think you are. So pamper dry skin after cleansing with this silky soothing toner. This gentle formula draws in moisture, eliminates dullness and helps with tissue repair, leaving you with super soft hydrated complexion. So just shake and saturate a cotton ball and just sort of wipe over the face, avoiding eye area. Let's have a look. So it's just a nice little, oh, it's It's really thick. When I hear of toners, I always think it's like a liquid that looks like a gel. So that'd be interesting to try as well. But it's only very small, 15 mils, but it's enough to let you know if you like it or not. And then if you do like it, you can always purchase a full size. Or if you're going away for the weekend or on holiday for the week, then you know you've got that to take with you. And final thing is a Balance Me Pure Skin Face Wash. And I've had one of these before, and I don't think I really liked it. I think it made my skin feel quite tight. So it is yeah, a radiance renewing, revitalizing formula that excellently cleanses skin without stopping moisture. I'm sure mine felt tight. This gentle face wash will purify and refresh your complexion using some divine blends of grapefruit, frankincense and Roman chamomile oils, 99% natural in formulation, leave you with a bright and even skin tone. Let me smell it, so I'll know. Or is it sealed? It looks like it's sealed. Do you know, I might just put this in a giveaway or just give it to somebody, because I have got loads and loads and loads of face washes to get through anyway, and if I'm not that sure on it, I'd rather just give it to somebody else, I think. So yeah, so there we go. So that's it. There seems a lot. So we've got this, the boob tube, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items this month. That's loads. So again, it is a good box. It's good value for money. It's got a nice selection of products. So I think that's fairly reasonable. There's a couple of things I won't use, but that's just my personal preference. There's nothing particularly wrong with the products themselves. So yeah, there we go. So I'm all caught up now. So thank you for bearing with me this month. Really do appreciate it, and hopefully normal service shall resume next month in September, please. So it seems to be a theme that when I upload a video that I lose loads of subscribers, so I do hope that you will subscribe to my channel if you're new and you've enjoyed it. I'm not normally this flat and miserable. I'm normally quite a chirpy person. Just had a rough month, but I will be back next month with all my new boxes, which I can't wait to do. So take care, enjoy your Bank Holiday Monday, and I will see you all again very, very soon. Bye.